On day 4, we are moved on to the next step in the design process, which is sketching out our ideas. So this is a first time for our students. This is their first time they're sketching. So we actually provide them floor plans. So you can see in the black lines, that's providing our students the floor plan, and then they can draw on that. So one of the main things that we want to teach them is how do you sketch on something that you're given and make it proportionate. So you have to kind of use context clues that you see. So you'll notice on this side of the triangle, we have a dimension that says it is 30 feet long. So then I could draw a line that goes halfway, half the distance, knowing that's 15 feet. And then I could draw another line, which is maybe 1/3 of that, which is 5 feet. And I kind of start to get these units of measurement that I can then start developing spaces and think about how big I want a bathroom to be and use dashed lines to kind of start developing spaces. And then my final step is to really add all the furniture and try to make it as proportional as possible. So the goal of this activity is to kind of have students quickly develop sketches, but also develop them proportionally, which is very important as well.